Welcome to our cruising journey through Galapagos and nature reserve islands of Ecuador. Today we're presenting to you an Ecuadorian fish and shrimp ceviche recipe. Start by squeezing the juice from 2 limes and 2 lemons. This citrus juice will marinate the raw fish, so ensure there's enough to submerge it completely. Freshly caught fish is essential for this recipe. You can use sea bass, hake, halibut or mahi-mahi, making sure it is skinless and boneless. Run your fingers through the fish to check for any small bones. For the shrimp, it should be cooked and deveined. Cut the fish into small pieces and place them in a bowl along with shrimp. If you enjoy our recipes, consider signing up to our channel to see more of them. Support us by liking and sharing our videos. Also, we'd love to hear from you, any comments. Pour in the citrus juice. Then add a pinch of salt and half a teaspoon of sugar. Ensure everything is submerged. If not, squeeze more lemon juice or lime juice. Cover and refrigerate for 30 minutes, stirring halfway through. While the seafood marinates, finely chop green pepper, onion. We like to use red onion for this recipe. And mango. We're not using the whole mango as it is going to be too much. Now is a good time to stir the fish and shrimp in the citrus juice again. Return it to the fridge. And let's mince the ginger and garlic. Cut cilantro just a little. Avocado. Add minced ginger and garlic to the seafood. Now chili flakes to your taste. Mix it all up. And return it to the fridge for another few minutes. Mix in sweet corn with the chopped vegetables and combine them with the marinated seafood. Finally, add 3 spoons of coconut oil and give it one last stir. Serve this delicious ceviche with tortilla chips. Enjoy the refreshing flavors of Ecuador right at home.